Thanks for calling Rocky's Distribution Center. Rocky speaking. How can I help you this evening? We ordered some office furniture from your company about 2 weeks ago. The delivery came on time, but unfortunately, some of the furnitures were badly damaged for some unknown reasons. We have already sent the pictures to you. I'm extremely sorry, sir, to hear about this unwanted situation. I know this was definitely a grave mistake, but we would address it as soon as possible. But in the meantime, sir, how would you like to be compensated? Would you like us to give you a full refund, or would you be kind enough to give us another opportunity to deliver you the same furniture, but of course in a much better and intact condition? Well, we have been doing business with your company for almost 5 years now, and you guys have always been at the top regarding everything. I know this was just a random occurrence, but we would like to get some delivery of the same kind, but of course the furnitures have to be intact, okay? It is so very kind of you, sir. We highly appreciate your generosity. I'm taking $200 off your entire invoice, and there would be absolutely no delivery charge for you, sir. I truly apologize for the inconvenience. Well, you didn't have to do that. It's very kind of you, but that is the reason why we are your repeat customers, because you guys are simply great. Thanks again, sir. Have a wonderful evening, and your new order should reach you within 2 to 3 business days. Thanks to you too.